In the late 19th century, inventors imagined machines that could think, count, and even communicate across continents. The Clockwork Computing Engine, CCE, is a speculative reconstruction of that vision, a fully mechanical computer built entirely from brass, steel, and oak, its inner life powered by a lattice of interlocking gears, escapements, and steam-pressurized pistons. Form: the CCE resembles a massive, column-height desk, its surface a polished mahogany veneer over a lattice of exposed gear trains. Two massive iron-capped wheels act as the primary drive, turned by a hand-cranked flywheel linked to a low-pressure boiler. Overhead, a brass dome houses a series of rotating cylinders patterned like James Clerk Maxwell's electromagnetic rotors, only here, they carry binary teeth. A raised tooth represents a 1, a recessed tooth a 0. Lengthwise, the machine is divided into three zones: input lathes for punched card feed, the processing heart of gear-based logical units, and output printers that emboss results onto cotton-lined paper. Function: at its core, the CCE executes Boolean logic via gear ratios. A pair of differential gears mimic an and gate. Only when both input shafts rotate simultaneously does the output gear move. NAND, OR, and XOR are accomplished by arranging idler gears and ratchets that add or subtract a tooth count. Data is stored temporarily in a series of clutch-engaged gear loops acting as mechanical registers, while a massive camshaft serves as the clock, synchronizing every operation with a ticks-per-second cadence of 20 Hz. Programming takes the form of interchangeable gear cassettes, composite racks of gears pre-cut to represent instruction sets, inserted into a slot similar to a piano roll. Users can load algorithms ranging from simple addition to primitive cryptographic hashes, effectively turning steam and brass into a 19th century silicon-free processor. Aesthetic: the CCE is a celebration of Victorian craftsmanship married to futurist ambition. Its exposed gearwork glints amber in low-oil lamplight, the hiss of steam echoing like an industrial heart. Ornamental filigree along the casings references the era's decorative metalwork, while the functional brass panels and riveted steel ribs convey a harsh honesty of engineering. The whole machine feels like a living cathedral of computation, where every toot and hiss tells a story of human ingenuity touching the impossible. In an alternate timeline, such a device could have powered early telegraph networks, steam-driven data centers, and perhaps even the first steampunk-styled internet.